so you want to go counterclockwise to tighten. And then you can just tighten it just enough to make sure it's not binding. Feels pretty good. And then I'm going to go ahead and just tighten it just a little bit to make sure she's secure. There we go. I can feel a binding, so I'm going to back it off just a little bit. And that makes a big difference. So I backed off the cone just a little bit where there was just a little bit of play, and then I was able to tighten this down nice so that way there's no play, but at the same time it still spins great. Alright, she's on there, spinning nicely. So after a little bit of tweaking, I got it just where I wanted it.